Hi, Thomas. Zero? What are you doing here? I've been helping out with the extra workload. Molly is telling me what to do. You look worried, Thomas. What's the matter? Guys, I hate to tell you this, but I must tell you. There's going to be a war. I don't know why, but an old enemy of mine has returned from the dead and wants vengeance on me. I don't know when this war will happen, but I think it's going to start tonight. Well, whoever this enemy is, we'll take him down, right, Thomas? I doubt it, Zero. Thomas, have some confidence. We will defeat this foe, alright? Don't lose hope. Okay, Zero, whatever you say. Tell the others. Have them prepared, alright? We got it. Thanks.